In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your mouse cursor while typing on Windows 10 or Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This feature can be super handy if you find the cursor distracting while you're typing. So let's dive right into how you can set this up. First, what you'll need to do is to open the control panel. You can get there by typing Control Panel into the search bar next to the Start menu and clicking on the Control Panel option when it appears. This step will bring you to a central hub of settings for your computer, where we can make the adjustment you need. Once you're in the control panel, look for an option labeled Hardware and Sound. Clicking on this will take you to another menu specifically for adjusting the settings related to your hardware and peripherals, such as sound, printers, and of course, your mouse. Now, you'll want to select Mouse from the list of available options. This particular section of the control panel allows you to modify various settings about how your mouse works and behaves. It's where we're going to make the specific changes to hide the cursor when you type. After you've clicked on Mouse, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll see several different tabs at the top. What you're looking for is the Pointer Options tab, so go ahead and click on that. Pointer Options is where you can adjust things like pointer speed and visibility options. Now, within the Pointer Options tab, locate the checkbox that says Hide Pointer while typing. This setting is exactly what we need to check. By selecting this option, your cursor will automatically disappear from view whenever you begin typing, helping to keep your focus on the task at hand without any unwanted distractions. Once you've checked that box, the final step is to apply the changes. You'll find the Apply button at the bottom right of the window. Click on that. This will ensure that your new settings are saved. Afterward, click OK to close the window. Your changes should take effect immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your computer to hide the mouse cursor when you're typing. If you ever want to change it back, just follow these steps again and uncheck the box. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your Windows experience just a little bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!